Dear learners, how are you feeling today? Hope feeling good and doing well. Come on, let us discuss about algebraic expression part 2, grade 7 mathematics. In this video, we are going to discuss about like terms, unlike terms, okay, and so on. Like terms. When terms have the same algebraic factors, they are like terms. Okay, which have same algebraic factors. Remember, same algebraic factors, terms are called like terms. Suppose they do not have same algebraic factors, then yes, you are right, they are unlike terms. When terms have different algebraic factors, they are unlike terms. They are called unlike terms. Previous video we discussed about how to find terms. Okay, in that terms, after segregating the terms, we can check they are like terms or unlike terms based on factors. Group the like terms together from the following: 12x, 12, minus 25x, minus 25, minus 25y, 1x, 12y, y. We can group according to the factors. So x are factors, y factors, then constants, one factors, isn't it? So like term groups are: group 1 you see 12x, minus 25x and x. Group 2 minus 25y, 12y, y. So all y one group, all x is one group. Then third group is all constant, all numbers, just numbers, 12, minus 25 and monomial. The monomial means an expression with only one term is called a monomial. For example, 7xy minus 5m, 3z square, 4 and so on. They are monomials. They contain only one term. An expression which contains two unlike terms, remember, two unlike terms, is called binomial. For example, x plus y, m minus 5, mn plus 4m, a minus b, or binomials because they have two terms. The two terms are unlike terms. You need to remember. Let us verify. The expression 10pq is not a binomial because it is a monomial. 10pq, it is a only one term. It is single term. That's why it is a monomial. 10pq is a monomial. The same way, the expression a plus b plus 5, it is not a binomial because it has three unlike terms. At the same time, it is not monomial also because it contains three unlike terms. Isn't it? It has three terms. When an expression has three terms, then that expression is called trinomial. What we say? Yes, trinomial. For example, x plus y plus 7, ab plus a plus b, 3xy minus 5x plus 2, m plus n plus 10. All these are trinomials. Look at here. The expression x plus y plus 5z, it is not a trinomial because two like terms are there, x and 5x, isn't it? Two like terms are there. So it is not a trinomial. We can say it is a binomial. We can convert 6x plus y, isn't it? Unlike terms only we have to see. So in general, an expression with one or more terms is called a polynomial. What we say together? Polynomial. So monomial, binomial, trinomial are polynomials. They have special names. Every expression we can say polynomial, but if one term is monomial, two terms, two unlike terms, binomial, three unlike terms, trinomials. You see. Okay, you see the question. State with reasons which of the following pairs of terms are like terms and which are unlike terms. That you need to say. First one you see 7x, 12y. 7x, 12y. They are unlike terms. 15x minus 25x. Both are having x as a factor. So same factor. So like terms. Minus ab, 7ba. ab, ba. Both are equal, isn't it? 2 into 3 also, 3 into 2 also same. So like terms. 3xy and 3x. Unlike terms. Hope you understand. Classify into monomials, binomials and trinomials. So first one is 4y minus 7z. So two unlike terms. So first one we can say binomial, isn't it? Yes. The second one is x square. It has only one term. right? So the expression is a binomial because it contains two terms. 4y is one term, minus 7z is another term. So 4y minus 7z is binomial. It's a binomial. It contains two terms. The next one is what? Just x square, right? Yeah. This expression is a x square. So x is only one term. It has only one term. It is a unique term. When an expression has unique term, then that is called monomial. So x square is a monomial. Correct. Now let us see the third question. X plus y minus xy. This expression is a trinomial because it contains three unlike terms. You remember three unlike terms: x, y and minus xy. That's why this expression is a trinomial. Look at 100. Just a constant is given. 100. A number is given. So this expression is a monomial because it has only one term. When an expression or a number only one term is given, expression as a number also, we can say that monomial. What we say? Monomial. Look at now. AB minus A minus B. This expression is a trinomial because it has three unlike terms. AB is a term, minus A is a term, and minus B is another term. So there are three unlike terms. That's why it is trinomial. Next you see 5 minus 3t. 5 minus 3t. This expression is a binomial because it contains two unlike terms. 5 is a term and minus 3t is another term. So two unlike terms are there. That's why this expression is a binomial. Hope you understand how to classify monomial, binomial and trinomial. Okay. Now here are questions for you to test given question like or unlike terms. Okay. By seeing itself easily can say. The same way you have to here identify the like terms. Here are some questions. Minus xy square. Where is there minus xy square? That pair you have to. First minus xy square, sir. Next one is 20 x square y. That is not like terms. That you have to see and do it. Then same way here. You can do it yourself. You have to find monomial. What is monomial? What is binomial? What is trinomial? There are 6 questions. You have to classify which is monomial, which is binomial, which is trinomial. Okay. Hope you understand. Hope you enjoyed learning how to find like terms, unlike terms, monomials, binomials and trinomials. Okay. Share this video to your friends. You can subscribe this channel for more videos. Till then, thank you. Bye bye.